हरे कृष्ण। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। नमो ओं विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सारस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पात्याच्य देशधारिणे। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधो जगत्पते गोपेशा गोपिका कांता राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्तकांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। Today we are going to discuss the teachings of Kunti Maharani. Kunti Maharani is the great devotee of the Lord Shri Krishna. Not only she is a great devotee, but also she has relationship with Krishna. He is a maternal aunt of Krishna. So when the Pandavas were saved from so many problems and so many distresses, so many disturbances in their life, and Krishna saved them because they are his devotees, pure devotees. For the gratitude in the gratitude of Lord Sri Krishna, Kunti Maharani is praising Krishna. She praised in the stotra form, that is stotra form in 8th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, 1st canto, 8th chapter, it is there. That is Kunti Maharani stotra. Kuntyo vacha namasye purusham tvajyamishwaram prakrute param alaksham sarvabhutanam antarbahiravastitam. Like that is 25 slokas are there. In the first sloka, Kunti Maharani praised Namasye Purusham Tvajyamishwaram Prakrute Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutanam Antarbahiravastitam. This is the first praise from the Kunti Maharani to the Lord. She is praising Namasye Purusham. He is the Adi Purusha. He is the original person. He is the original person. Namasye Purusham. Tvajyamishwaram. He is not only Purusha, he is the original Purusha and the beginning. He is the beginning. Adi Purusha. He is the first man. From him, everybody emanated. All the Brahma and all the demigods, all the jivas, and all the creation came from him. Namasye Purusham Tvadyam Ishvara. He created all the living entities and he is maintaining also. He is controlling also. Ishvara. Ishvara means controller. Namasye Purusham Tvadyam Ishvaram Prakrute Param. Prakrute Param means he is beyond the three modes of material nature. You see, in this material world, all the living entities and all the creation under the influence of three modes of material nature. But Krishna is Prakrute Param. Above these three modes of material nature. Under his direction, the material nature is running. That is the greatness of Krishna. Namaste Purusham Tvadyameshwaram Prakrite Param Alaksham Sarva Bhutana. Even though the all material living entities was created by him and maintained by him and controlled by him, but the living entities are unable to recognize the supremacy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is inside as a Paramatma form, as a super soul, is outside also as omnipresence. So, he is inside and outside. Generally, the people, in the material people, when we are in the room of inside, we are unable to stay outside. That is the limitation of the living entity. But Krishna is omnipresent. He can stay inside, he can stay outside at the same time. But for the living entity, it's not possible. That is the limitation of living entity. Kunti Maharani is wondering how Krishna is able to, he is inside, he is protecting Parikshit Maharaj in the womb of Uttara, at the same time he is outside also. He is Antar Bahir Avastitam Alaksham Modadrusha. Modadrusha, fools, rascals, they are unable to recognize the Lord presence. Even though he is inside and outside, Sarvavyapi, his omnipresence is everywhere. But the fools, they are unable to recognize. Like this, Kunti Maharani praising Lord Krishna. Because Kunti Maharani, he is the, he has the relationship with Krishna. Even though Kunti Maharani, he is recognizing the supremacy of the Lord. Kunti Maharani is saying, he is not an ordinary person. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Like that. But she don't want to commit an offense towards Krishna. But she is praising. But that praises we also have to follow. Like that we have to recognize the essence of the teachings of Kunti Maharani. Hare Krishna.